If you thought crime doesn't pay, think again. A shocking heist in Bulawayo proves otherwise. On October 3, 2024, a cash-in-transit van near Ecobank's Parkade Center in Bulawayo was ambushed by 6 armed robbers. In broad daylight, these criminals, armed with AK-47s, overpowered the guards and made off with over $4 million. Witnesses report a single shot fired into the air before the suspects fled in a white Ford Ranger. Police suspect an inside job, with notorious criminal Elijah Vumbunu under scrutiny. This heist has dwarfed the infamous 2021 Gwebi River Bridge robbery, marking it as the largest in Zimbabwe's history. Authorities are now urging security firms to heighten their protocols. Police spokesperson Paul Nyathi confirmed the ongoing investigation and reassured the public of their commitment to justice. The ZRP calls on anyone with information to come forward. Stay tuned as this story develops. This is your Crime and Courts reporter keeping you informed.